Dear ones, it's Alice. I'm of the stars. I was out here in the woods and I was talking to the new birds. And I asked them, did they know Sweetbird? And first they said, Sweetbird, 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 like that. And then one of them said something completely different that I've never heard before. Pretty, pretty, Sweetbird. Pretty, pretty, Sweetbird. Wow, that's beautiful. Pretty, pretty, Sweetbird. Did you hear that the first time? Pretty, Sweetbird. Thank you very much. Wow, cool. Pretty, pretty, Sweetbird. I hope I got that right. Oh, good. So, Raven flew by, and it said, there's a fox here, right? Five foxes. And I said, only on the telepathic plane, I said, is there a mountain lion? And Raven said, verbally, it said, no. And I said, coyote. It said, fox. So then I was listening while the Sweetbirds were having something to eat over there. And the fox talked. It's the first time I've heard a fox talk. What did fox say? There's no fox here. Just said it again when I asked. Before it said it like this. There's no fox. No. It's hard for me to speak that low. There is no fox here. That's why they call them foxes. And then a little earlier, I was at a different place, the Lady Face Mountain Trail, a little higher up, just looking to see how the trail condition looked at the beginning and what the sign said. And there's huge, tall mountains along through there on both sides of the road, right? So first I said, very, very quietly, because they have terrific ears, I said, are there any mountain lions here? And then from across the road, amongst the huge, tall mountains over there, I heard, no, there are 5 mountain lions over here. And I said, did I hear that right? 5 mountain lions? And then 5 male mountain lions and 1 female mountain lion talked, and they all said, there are 5 mountain lions over here. And the lady sounded like the lady on that recording of the slow-mo music, the slow-mo sounds that I made. Apparently there was mountain lion voice of a lady and of a male, 2 male mountain lions mixed in with that tape, and I'll get to that a little later on. Yes, this particular female mountain lion sounded lower in voice by a little, but much higher in voice than the male mountain lions. She sounded very, very attractive, you know? Very, very attractive lady. I think that the male mountain lions really appreciate female mountain lions. The way they greet, I meant to mention, the female will be approaching the male. She'll say, "Are you going to eat me?" And he'll say, "No, certainly not." Well, God bless you all and keep you safe and be with you through all your days. In love, light, and joy, this is Alice B. Clagett. Where is that fox? Over there. I'm one of the stars, and so are you. Come and visit me at 5 Foxes? 5 Fox? My faux pas, 5 Foxes. AwakeningWithPlanetEarth.com.